What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about how to identify 3 different problems while you're driving. The first one is while you're riding around getting it, you want to let go of your steering wheel. Make sure you don't have no cars around you, because if your car is drifting to the left or the right, you don't want to be drifting in nobody's lane. So if your car is drifting to the left or right, that means you have an alignment problem. And if you have an alignment problem, that means the alignment is eating up your tires. So you're not getting the best tire performance out of your vehicle, as in you're not even getting a great life. So if you have inner tire wear or outer tire wear, that means you have a left alignment problem or a right alignment problem, toe or camber, however you want to call it. But yeah, the next problem to identify is while you're riding around getting it, and you're accelerating to 50 to 60, even 70 miles per hour, your steering wheel is shaking like that, very hard, and you're trying to figure out why my steering wheel is shaking hard. That means your tire is out of balance, because it happened to your boy Artofspeedd. I was riding around getting it, and my steering wheel was shaking hard, and I'm like, yo, when the last time I balanced my tires? And I couldn't even tell myself when the last time I balanced my tires. So I took my car to the local dealership or a local tire place, so I can get my tires balanced. The next problem to identify is when you're braking and your car is drifting to the left or right. Yes, that is another problem. Guess what that means? You have a braking problem. You have some type of braking issue going on with your vehicle, and you don't want to have those problems, because what if your car is drifting to the left and you have someone onto your left, and your car is drifting to the right and you have somebody on your right? So yeah, you don't want to have those problems. So get that checked out. Just tell them, your local mechanic or your local dealership, yo, these is the problems that I'm having. But if you think this video is helpful, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. But if you're not part of the Artofspeedd fam, go to that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.